Right guys, welcome to the video. Thanks for joining me. I hope everyone is safe and well. You've probably grasped from the title of the video what we're going to be talking about today. So I want to explain to you guys why I've made the decision. What does it mean? Is it permanent? And what it will entail for myself and how it will affect subscribers, members, etc. So quite an important video. I didn't think I'd be posting a video like this, to be honest, but the time's come. So, quick whistle stop tour, guys. I started selling on Amazon 4 years ago. 2 years into my journey, I was able to quit my job as a teacher. And from that point on, a few months later, I launched a YouTube channel, right? If you guys are OGs, if you follow me from the beginning, we've come a long way. It's been, almost 2.5 years now. We've got over 5,000 legitimate subscribers. I know you can have 50,000, but often they can be paid subscribers. So thanks for subscribing if you are one of those people. But we've come a long way, right? Content has developed and the channel has just matured. We've got lots of feedback from people who watch the content and it's overwhelmingly positive. So I'll thank you guys firstly for watching the content. Now, as you probably are aware also, right at the start of my YouTube journey, within the first few months, I launched the Elite Academy, right, which is a training and mentorship program, an advanced training and mentorship program to teach people to sell on Amazon too, just like I did, and everything that I'd learned along the way. Now, that has also come a long way. It's been 2 years now, a little bit more than 2 years. We've got over 1,000 members there too, and there's going to be some big changes coming, right, for members and for future members. So I'm going to be talking about what's happening with YouTube, what's happening with the Elite Academy, give you guys some clarity, because I've been quite quiet recently, and not just because I've got a new puppy, but that is one reason, because it may as well just have a child. So let's talk about YouTube, guys. Content creation is, it takes effort, right? You've got to be dedicated to it. You've got to know what you're talking about to be able to put content up there. And whilst I'm juggling YouTube, but also my Elite Academy, so the members who are actual paid students of the Academy, and also all my marketing, my Instagram account, all these different things, there's quite a lot of balls up in the air to juggle, right? So I've come to a conclusion that as we're coming towards the end of the year now, I am not putting up any more content on YouTube. I'm walking away from YouTube for the time being. Now, a few reasons for that. Firstly, within the Elite Academy at the moment, I'm very busy, right? We've got lots of members who are working through the course content, and we've got about 20 members who are in the product launch phase. So they've either just got their stock coming over from China, or if they've sourced in the UK, or they are literally waiting for their inventory to be checked into FBA. So it's a very crucial time for these people to make sure that that works well. Now, that requires a lot of input from myself because I've got a lot of involvement with all the decisions along the way. So I feel like I want to really dedicate the last part of the year to making sure that these students have a successful product launch and a successful product thereafter. Now, that's really important to me, right? And that's important to me for the whole year, but especially at the end. We've got everything sort of coming to fruition now at the end of the year. It just so happened that lots of people are launching at the same time, and I want to make sure that my involvement is, I have as much involvement as possible, basically. So that's one reason why I'm not going to be posting any YouTube content. Now, the second reason, which I haven't put and discussed publicly on YouTube, but we've got something huge coming for 2021. Now, this is the biggest project I've ever conducted myself, and I want to share it with you guys. So, if you can imagine, right, that we've got 1,000 members who've come through our training program over the last 2 and a bit years. What we've been trying to do is understand what works and what doesn't. What determines whether or not a student does well or not. Now, the way that we've done that is analysing lots of surveys that we've sent out to students to understand what they felt was pivotal or key to their success, but also to get feedback on the content itself. So beta testing, you could call it if you like, but what we're trying to understand is how to absolutely maximize the chance of a positive result. And you can imagine over 2.5 years of trial and error and perfecting different things, Amazon is constantly changing. We've got to update different parts of the course all the time. There's a lot to do, right? And over the last few months, I've been working on a complete new Elite Academy 3.0. Now, at the moment, it's the Elite Academy 2.0. So it's not going to be just a few lectures changed here and there. This is going to be a complete new strategy and approach to Amazon FBA based on the feedback, the results that we've seen, and everything that I've learned and been absorbing through the last or over the last year of selling on Amazon and helping hundreds of other people do the same thing. So again, this has been a pretty massive, to say the least, project, and I can't emphasize enough for you guys who are members of the Elite Academy 2.0, you've got automatic access, right? All of the new content, everything is going to be free, and you're going to be able to access it through your member portal and login. So you don't need to worry about anything. The mentorship is still unlimited. I made a promise to everyone who enrolled within the Elite Academy that they wouldn't have to ever pay for any further updates, and obviously I stick to my word, and that is what's going to happen. Now, that will mean that I'm going to have a lot more work to do, because I'm sure that a lot of people are going to be revisiting the content and reaching out to me, making changes. We've got students who are making £2,000 a month, £5,000 a month, £50,000 a month on Amazon. You know, I've interviewed these people on my YouTube channel. We've got testimonials, and I'm going to be having a lot of questions thrown my way, which I'm excited for. But I can't emphasize enough to you guys that this is going to be a game changer in the FBA space. I'm the only qualified teacher who delivers Amazon FBA content, and I believe that's a massive, unique selling point to our program over other people who just do it on the side whilst working full time. But I put a enormous amount of effort into the content that's going into the Elite Academy 3.0. Now, that's going to be launching at some point in the new year, right? But in the meantime, my YouTube channel from this point on is going to be dormant, right? Nothing's going to happen. I'm walking away from YouTube, but that doesn't mean I'm walking away forever. Do you really think I could walk away forever from YouTube? I love doing this too much. But what it will mean is we've got a fresh year, 2021. We've got the highest level of training possible based on all of the work that I've done of understanding the type of content that works, the importance of the way that it's delivered, how students interpret the information, the order and the sequence that they work through it, the involvement that I've got at certain stages, and how crucial it is. We've got so much feedback and so much understanding about what needs to change, and it's almost done. So that's going to be a huge launch, and I can't wait to present that to you guys. But what that will mean in the meantime, so if you are looking to join the Elite Academy at the moment, I'm going to be, until the 3.0 course launch happens, there's going to be a substantial end of year offer, right? Now that offer, I'm going to explain in a separate video in a moment, but that offer you'll be able to see at the checkout of my website, and it will mean that you can have a hefty chunk off the price, which I believe is unbelievable value for money. If you actually divide up the hours that I put into the content, and then following that, the involvement I've got with the mentorship, it's really, really small. But as a result of this complete new Elite Academy that's launching, all of the new content, the success rate that we have, and how great I believe it's going to be in 2021, there's going to be a price increase to reflect that. Now, the price increase I'm going to be discussing in the next video also, but it will provide anyone with a chance who is looking to join and make a fresh start of 2021 and create a passive stream of income through FBA, it gives them a chance to grab the training and mentorship at a discount for you guys before a price increase happens with the new launch. So if you're watching this video, you're going to see a link below where you're going to be able to purchase the course at a discounted price. But I want to thank you guys for everyone who's been following the YouTube channel. Next year is going to be the biggest year for content for me, for the channel, for my Instagram, for the course. It's going to be the biggest. We're going to have the biggest results for students of the Academy. I'm going to be interviewing as many people as possible. These are flying out, the 10K Elites Awards. We've got over 50 members of the 10K Club. I've got about 7 being shipped out over December, but waiting for a few people to cross over the line. They're on like 9,000 or so. But super proud. Thank you to you guys. And watch the next part where you'll see me discuss a little bit more in detail about what I just mentioned. So, Merry Christmas. Enjoy the rest of your year. I hope you have an awesome time over Christmas. Stay safe. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different this year, but yeah, I will see you guys in the new year. At the moment, the course is priced at $595, and it has been for the whole of the year. So the value there is pretty incredible in my opinion. If you look at it as £25 a month for 2 years, you have unlimited mentorship from me, Monday to Friday, one-to-one consultancy, helping you with product decisions, helping you identify a good product from a bad product, help you importing those products, launching those products, working with you on PPC. So much involvement for £25 a month. Plus, you have access to our member login digital course of over 150 lessons, step by step, teaching you how to sell on Amazon from start to finish and launch your own product and build your own brand and create your own business. So for £25 a month over 2 years, and some people will use it a long time after that, the value is insane if you look at it that way. Now, at the moment, again, it's priced at $595. So I'm going to be making a discount for people for the rest of December until the new Elite Academy 3.0 is launched, and it's going to be discounted to $445. So £150 off the already fair price, bringing it right the way down to give people an opportunity now who don't want to have to spend $695 in January to purchase an early bird price at $445. Now, even at $695, the value is going to be insane. It will be reflected in the content. We're going to see better results. It's going to be better content overall with all the improvements and changes that have been made. So it's going to be huge. It's going to be a massive launch. So again, if you've watched this video, you're going to have access to this pricing. You can click on my website below and you will see that this is the early bird price for you guys, and it will be for the rest of December. So yeah, I hope you have the you know, if this is for you, you've done your research, you are willing to put in the effort and create your own online business through FBA. It's a perfect time to do it, especially with the shift to online platforms such as Amazon as a result of COVID and people wanting to stay home and shop online and things like that. So yeah, I hope to see you inside the Members Academy soon, or as a member within the Elite Academy soon, I should say. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the rest of your year, guys. Any questions, post them in the comment section below. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.